Okay, so I built a mobile app 100% using AI and vibe coding. Now, I'm a little stressed because I feel like this may end badly for me, and I kind of need your help today in deciding whether I am crazy or not, and if this is a good idea to launch. So the app that I created is called Mansplain. So basically what Mansplain does is it's an app where you can upload screenshots of your text messages or enter them manually. And this app is made for women specifically, so it's called Mansplain. And you upload the screenshots of your text or upload them manually, and the AI will decode it and tell you what he means, what he's trying to say, and it'll give you responses to reply to his text. It'll let you chat with the AI to get further information and a few other cool features. So why am I so scared to launch this? Well, let's first just see how the app works so you can have better context on why I'm a little stressed and why I'm hesitant to upload this to the Apple App Store. The reason I want to upload it is because there's an app out there called Rizz, which is very similar, but it's made for men and it's to give them pickup lines. But I think personally my app is better, and that app is making $400,000 a month. So you could see why I would want to upload this to the Apple App Store, because even if I made a fraction of that and made $1,000 a month from it, it'd be worth it to me. But I'm scared. So let's just first go through the app so you can see how it works, and then you can tell me whether I'm crazy or not, if maybe I should go a different route or what I should do about this, because I want to upload it, but I'm terrified. So let's take a look at the app real quick. All right, so we're in the Mansplain app, and it's currently on my vibe code platform called V0 by Vercel, and I do have it ready to be uploaded to the Apple App Store, but as I said, I'm still nervous about that, and I'll tell you about why I'm so scared to launch this in a second, but I really wanted to show you kind of how this works first. So, as I mentioned, Mansplain is an app where you can upload screenshots of your text messages from men or upload them manually, type them manually, and the AI will decode what they're trying to say. It'll give you other options to reply to, and there's a few other features that I'll go through real quick. So let's just upload a screenshot of a text message so you can see how this app works. Now, the text message I'm going to use is just between me and a friend, so it's not a mansplain situation. I just wanted to show you how it works. So you can either click the plus sign or you can click upload as confusing text here, or as I said, you can write them out right here. But I'm going to upload a text so you can see how it scans it and how we move forward. So it's scanning it right now, and then it's going to have me choose who is who here. So now, instead of it just scanning and going off of a random text message that doesn't make any sense, I can specify whose text is whose, so the AI really knows how to decode this and doesn't just decode the last text message, even if it was me or that, you know what I mean? It just, some other apps that are similar to this do that, and it doesn't make sense. Like, for example, let's say this was me, the AI might go off of this when I'm trying to decode them. You know what I mean? So let's just pick who's who. This was me. This is actually her, but in this case, him. And then me, them, me. Okay, so now we're ready to decode. So we'll decode the conversation. And here we go. We have a full page breakdown. So the first one, just showing the conversation that we had. And then here's a little section, what he really means. What to text back. This section, you can regenerate these texts as much as you want. So you click another and it gives you another option, If you want to chat about this specific text here, you can, and you can ask the chat bot and it'll reply to you, and you can keep going with it to keep talking about it. It also gives you red flags. It gives you green flags if there are any. And then their motivations. It also gives you a full kind of take on what you should do next and the overall vibe and everything. And now all of these conversations are actually stored in the man graveyard. So there's the conversation we just had. So you can see all your past conversations. It'll tell you whether it thinks it's a red flag or a green flag and stuff like that. And then also on the home page, as I said, you can enter manually, but there's also this "Did he ghost you" section. And so you can click on this, put your last text from him, what was your last text, and how long has it been since he responded, and it'll give you another little breakdown, which is kind of cool. And then another feature of this app is the voice note app. This is an upgrade, so you'd have to pay more to be able to access this, but basically you can record up to 3 minutes here, and it will create a voice chat with you. So like, for example, I recorded, hey, my boyfriend sucks, like super bad, and then you can keep going with the voice chat, and you can keep on voice noting this AI, and it will continue to respond to you. And then there's just the chat history here and all of that. And so that's basically the app. That's the app that I created. It's very similar to a few other apps. Like there's one called Rizz, which is kind of for guys to get pickup lines. But like I said, that one is one specifically that when you upload it, it doesn't specify whose text was who. So that was something that I really wanted to make special with this app, was being able to decipher whose text was who, so the AI can really give you the proper decoding. So that's mansplain in a nutshell. And now I'm going to tell you why I'm so worried about actually launching this app. Okay, so now that you've seen the app, let me tell you my reasoning for why I'm scared to upload this. And many of you may already know why just from seeing it. Well, it's privacy reasons. I'm scared to upload this app because I do not want anyone to get hacked. I don't have the money, I don't have the bandwidth right now to be able to handle something like that happening. I don't even have an LLC for this app. So it's like, if something happens, I'll get sued. You know what I mean? And the way that I'm thinking about this is maybe not entering the manual text. That's not really stressful to me. It's more uploading the screenshot, because I don't know, what if a hacker somehow gets into my app and steals everyone's screenshots and somehow gets their data? I don't even know. I literally don't even know, and that's kind of why I'm here today, to get your advice. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this idea, and if you think I'm right in thinking that it could be scary, it could be a bad thing, but it's also so freaking cool. So it's I really want to make this app work. So if you have any advice for me, please just let me know, because I need to know. I need to know whether this could end badly for me. Because my intuition is saying yes, but then the greedy side of me is saying, well, I want $400,000 a month. So what do I do? What do I do? Help, please. Okay, much love.